Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. I'm gonna get that off. Anyway, so this video, I haven't made a video in quite a bit actually, so it's kind of weird here talking to a camera inside the truck, but you know, I'm back, so let's go ahead and just get this out the way. So I got this new phone case here. This is a Rokform case. Can you see as it focus? There we go. So this is a case by Rokform. I have an iPhone 8 Plus still rocking the oldie because it's working perfectly fine. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's got like a carbon fiber kind of look to it, and it's got this magnet here. And I have a magnet dash mount. So that's kind of why I'm making the video, because it kind of relates to the truck a little bit, and it's actually fantastic for kind of like an off-road vehicle. So this is the box that it comes in. This is a case that I had before. I had like a super simple, like cheap little plastic one. So it's upgraded to like this bulky case. The link will be down in the description for these cases, by the way, on Amazon. There'll be the cases and the mounts and everything kind of associated with them. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. So what sold me on these was the protection and the magnet factor. So I mean, there's nowhere really metal around that I can stick it to, but I'll show you like things right now, like of me, how you can stick it to the truck. You can just stick it to the side of the truck. If you're in the gym, you can just go ahead and stick it onto the side of the gym, you know, as if I go to the gym ever, you know, it never happens. But you can just go ahead and stick it onto like the machine or whatever you're going to be doing. So that's super nice. If you're working on something, working on the truck underneath, you can stick it to the frame. You can stick it anywhere that's metal, and it's a super strong magnet. You can kind of hear it slaps on there. I'll go ahead and put a B-roll of it slapping on there over the video. I feel like I say that a lot, but anyway, you'll be seeing it when I'm talking about it. So like I said, it comes in this nice little packaging, and it was a little Rokform card and whatever else. But the big selling point for me was the fact that I drive a truck, and I have some pretty beefy tires on it. I'm not super beefy, but I mean, they're pretty beefy for tires, and yeah, like I said, one of the selling points is the fact that I'm able to keep it on there and keep it mounted, and it stays exactly where I want it to be. There's no jiggling around. It doesn't like flop and flip around like a normal one would, or like one of those ones where it clips in. I'm not really a fan of those. One nice thing too is you can mount these pretty much anywhere. Where this one is mounted is actually on a curved bezel on the front dash here, which you can kind of see on the screen now. And it's like on a curved bezel, so you think it wouldn't stick, but it's just it's held up on there for a while. One thing I was concerned about too is right where it is, obviously the sunlight is coming in through the windshield, so when that happens, obviously like the 3M adhesive heats up and it can melt, like, and not melt, but like warm up and then slide off. But I haven't had any issues with that. Sometimes on a hot day, because of the weird location, I'll have to come in and like press it down. I don't have to, but I just feel like I need to, and that keeps it solid and stable as can be. Like I said, that's I think the case was like I think it was a total of like 80 bucks. It was kind of expensive for a case, but like I said, it's a rugged case. I'll go ahead and pop it off the phone here. So yeah, it's like got a carbon fiber kind of look to it. It's not actual carbon fiber, obviously, but it's just kind of got that look. And then the battery, there is a little area here, as you can see. So basically you would stick the magnet on, and then there's a little piece here that you could turn it and lock it in on like a motorcycle. So they do have a bunch of accessories that kind of go with it that you might be interested in. And then you can see the magnet there, and then on the inside it has a little pad, so it's not just a magnet against your phone. They do keep a little thing so you can put what are those? I don't even know what those are called. Those little like tassel things that people use. I don't know why people use those still, but you never know, you might use them, and there you go. Now you know that you can have that, you can have your tassel connected to your phone. And then like I said, back of phone, pretty easy. It does make the phone obviously a lot bigger in comparison, but it's not that bad of a difference. But you're also getting that rugged protection. As you can see, it snaps on real good. Oh fuck yeah. Anyway, so yeah, it slaps right onto there and like has no issues. Doesn't matter if I'm going over bumps or anything like that. I haven't really had any issues. I haven't ran into any issues on my own. And like I said, a lot of the reviews that I read said the same thing. It was really good. A lot of people run these in Jeeps, like in Wranglers and stuff, that tend to do off-roading because it gives you a solid lock because it's magnet on magnet and that thing slaps together. yeah, I think that's going to be about it for this video. If you did want to check these out, like I said, link down in the description. There's an Amazon link. You can go ahead and get that 2-day shipping, so you don't have to wait too long to get your case and stuff. And of course, you can return them if they're not what you want. So yeah, go ahead and check those out. Of course, make sure you subscribe, stay up to future content. Like the video if you got any information out of it or anything like that. I have tons of videos coming in the future. I'm about to record 5-6 videos in the next hour or so I can go ahead and edit those and get them out. So you'll probably see me wearing the same thing. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace!